If CapCut is using the wrong graphics card, causing lag, slow previews, or poor export performance, this video will show you how to fix it fast. We're going to make sure CapCut uses your dedicated GPU instead of the integrated one. And then we'll turn on the built-in hardware acceleration settings, so everything runs smoother. This is a simple fix, but it can make a huge difference if you're editing on a laptop or a PC, with more than one graphics option. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick fixes and software guides. First, close CapCut completely. Make sure it is not just minimized or sitting in the system tray, because if it's still running in the background, the changes may not apply properly. Once CapCut is fully closed, press the Windows key on your keyboard, type Graphics Settings, and press Enter. This opens the Windows Graphics Preference panel, where you can manually choose which GPU a program should use. Now look for Custom Options for Apps. Under that section, click Browse. A File Explorer window will open, and this is where you need to find your CapCut installation folder. Go to the folder where CapCut is installed on your computer, then select the file called CapCut.exe. That is the main application file. After selecting it, click Add. Once CapCut appears in the list, click the newly added CapCut icon, then click Options. You should see different GPU choices here. Select High Performance. This is the important part, because it explicitly points CapCut to your dedicated graphics card, such as NVIDIA or AMD, instead of the weaker integrated GPU. After that, click Save. With the system-level GPU setting done, we now need to enable CapCut's own performance options. Open CapCut again and go to the home page. In the top right corner, click the Settings gear icon. Then open Settings. Inside the Settings menu, click the Performance tab. This is where CapCut controls rendering, decoding, and export acceleration. First, check the box for Render Interface with GPU or Interface Rendering, depending on the version you're using. This helps CapCut use your graphics card for the on-screen editor interface. Next, under Export, enable Speed Up Hardware Encoding. This helps the app use the GPU when exporting your final video. Then under Editing, enable Speed Up Hardware Decoding. This allows CapCut to use your GPU while previewing and processing media during the edit. Once all of those boxes are checked, click Save, then restart CapCut so the changes can take effect. Restarting is important because some GPU settings do not fully apply until the app reloads. Now let's verify that the fix worked. Open any project in CapCut and scrub through the timeline. While you do that, open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and S. Go to the Performance tab and click on your GPU. Watch the video encode, video decode, or 3D graphs while you scrub the timeline. If you see activity on those graphs, that's a great sign that CapCut is now using the correct graphics card and your hardware acceleration is working properly. If the graphs are moving and the app feels smoother, then the fix was successful. If not, double-check that CapCut was fully closed before changing the Windows graphics setting, and make sure you selected high performance for the correct CapCut.exe file. You can also repeat the performance steps inside CapCut to confirm every acceleration option is enabled. And that's how to fix CapCut using the wrong graphics card fast. This should help improve editing performance, preview speed, and export efficiency on supported systems. If this tutorial saved you time, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick CapCut fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.